Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Mahindra XUV700, an SUV that's making waves with its upgraded design, powerful performance, and some standout features that really set it apart in the SUV market. Let's explore what makes the 2025 XUV700 such an impressive release from Mahindra. Starting with the front, Mahindra has really dialed up the style factor here. The XUV700 features a bold new grille with a refined chrome finish that gives it a strong presence on the road. Complementing this are the sleek LED headlights, which feature integrated DRLs that extend along the edges. These aren't just for show, they add significant visibility, especially for night driving. The headlights come with advanced adaptive tech, which means they adjust their angle and intensity based on road conditions and speed. So, whether you're cruising down the highway or taking a sharp turn, you've got enhanced lighting control and improved safety. Moving to the side profile, the XUV700 boasts a muscular and aerodynamic shape that's designed to cut through the wind and optimize fuel efficiency. The SUV sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, which are not only stylish but also contribute to a smoother drive and better grip on rough terrains. Mahindra's equipped the XUV700 with a smart suspension setup that absorbs most of the road's harshness, making for a comfortable drive whether you're on the highway or hitting the trails. This model is built with ruggedness in mind but maintains the agility that makes city driving enjoyable. Now, looking at the rear, Mahindra has given the XUV700 a fresh and modernized look. You've got these new wraparound LED taillights that add a premium touch and increase visibility for vehicles behind you. Plus, the sharply sculpted tailgate, along with the rear spoiler, enhances aerodynamics. One thing I really love is the dual-tone bumper. It adds a bit of sporty flair while protecting the back of the car. This model also has a hands-free tailgate option, which makes loading up your gear easier, especially when your hands are full. Alright, let's get into the heart of the XUV700, the performance. This SUV comes with a robust 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers 185 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers the choice of a more connected drive or added convenience. With this power, the XUV700 easily tackles both city and highway driving, and it has a top-notch AWD system for those adventurous off-road trails. The torque distribution here is quite impressive, meaning you get excellent grip, even on loose gravel or wet roads. This all-wheel drive setup makes the XUV700 a reliable choice for both daily commuting and weekend getaways. Another thing that stands out is the fuel efficiency. Despite the strong engine, Mahindra has tuned it to provide optimal fuel economy, something that's always welcome for long drives. And that dual exhaust system not only looks great but also offers a satisfying engine note without being too loud. Now, let's talk safety, a major focus for the XUV700. Mahindra's included a suite of advanced safety features that you usually see in higher-end SUVs. This includes front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and radar-based sensors for forward collision warning and lane keeping assistance. These help the driver stay alert and add an extra layer of security on busy roads. So, overall, the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 is a bold and capable SUV that's designed to cater to both city drivers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its powerful engine, stylish design, and range of tech features, it offers a complete package that's hard to ignore in its segment. Plus, Mahindra is known for durability and value, so this could be a smart investment for those looking for a dependable and stylish SUV. Closing shot. The Mahindra XUV700 drives off into the distance as the narrator wraps up. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Mahindra XUV700. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this latest model? Would you consider it for your next SUV? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.